Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, Juju is here with number 9, and this is for foliage is the theme for today. And so I went through and just did a little collage of some different little leaf stickers here that we had with a little reflection word and some little mushrooms and some little plants and maybe the sun's coming through the trees and glistening off some stuff. And I put a number 2 on here because second time I've had to do it, because somehow or another I was a day ahead, but I'm all good now. I think. All right, that's it. I hope y'all have enjoyed it. Bye. See you on the next go round.